Hi guys, this is your Miss MST home cooking. I'm thinking about making some spare rib adobo. Okay, what I have here is actually a frozen spare rib, beef spare rib. I have how many bone in here? This is two bone in. Okay, so I have 4 packages over here. They're about a pound and a half each. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna soak them. First up, they are frozen, and we need to draw some of the blood from these ribs. All right, just give it a couple of minutes. We're gonna give it about, there you go, we're gonna give it about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, okay guys, I'm gonna add more water to our beef ribs because we need to submerge it. Okay, so once it's stalled, we can actually separate this. We can make it 2 pieces. Okay, for the meantime, we're going to make our adobo sauce. Alright guys, are you ready? First, we need apple cider vinegar. Any brand. We need 2 cups. Soy sauce, 1 cup. This is salted one. You can use light soy sauce if you want, but you might have to add the salt at the end. Alright, so we are not using any fresh ingredients, so everything is dry. So if you want it spicy, you can put more black pepper. Right now I will put 1 tablespoon. Okay? Because we're going to adjust this at the end after we mix everything. So granulated onions, granulated garlic. Garlic I will put 2 tablespoons. All right. Okay. Bay leaf, you can use fresh or dry. Couple of bay leaf. That's about 4 leaves in there. We will put brown sugar. Brown sugar, we're gonna start on half a cup. Half a cup of brown sugar. Half a cup. This is optional. Beef bouillon, 2 tablespoons. Actually, there's a spoon in here. I don't have that much. 2 tablespoons of the plastic spoon. When we want it a bit spicy, we will put some red chili pepper flakes. Woo! Can't even talk. 1 tablespoon in that, and we'll mix it and we'll adjust the flavor at the end. After we mix it, let it sit for a couple of minutes because you want everything kind of dissolved. All right. Okay, let's give it about 5 minutes to dissolve and we will taste and adjust. Okay, after soaking our beef spare rib, I already cut it in half. It's right here, defrosted. It's already defrosted. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it right now in a pressure cooker. Okay, sure you guys see it. Yeah, we're gonna put it in a pressure cooker. We're gonna put it in pressure cooker right now because it's beef ribs, so it will take a while if you're gonna put it in a regular pot. And once you get tender, we will transfer it to a regular pot, and then we will thicken the sauce from there. So right now we're gonna put our spare rib, beef spare rib. Oh, look at this big chunk. Yum! This is if you're gonna do some barbecue this weekend, get some idea. And also our sauce, for me it's perfect. It's well balanced. If you want, just like I said, if you want it spicier, sweeter, whatever, just adjust it. So we're gonna pour this on top. Then we will put this in a pressure cooker for, I will try 30 minutes first. Check it, because you don't want it to fall apart. You just want it just right, you know, not too soft, not too tough and stuff, so just about in between. So we're gonna put that in our pressure cooker. Our pressure cooker is right here, and we're gonna put this setting in a let me see, I have what setting we're gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it to it says meat and chicken setting. All right, let's cover. Okay, gonna get up a little bit. Cover. Make sure it's locked. Right, and we will put it in a meat setting, and we're gonna do 30 minutes right now. All right, let it go 30 minutes and we will check it. Okay guys, after 30 minutes in a pressure cooker, this is how it looks like. It looks yummy. What I'm gonna do now is remove these ribs here, and actually 30 minutes just perfect. Look at this, it's already tender. So like I said, it just depends it depends on your beef really. So yeah, oops. So I'm gonna remove our beef in here in a pressure cooker. Set it aside, and we're gonna reduce and might adjust the sauce also. Okay, let's do that guys. At this moment there's a lot of oil in our sauce. This is the technique to remove the oil that's floating on top. So we're gonna remove a lot of it. Okay, gonna take a minute. So yeah, let me do that. Another technique guys to remove the fat from the sauce. Just pour it on top. It's easy that way. We have to remove a lot of oil because the rib is very fatty. Ooh, look at that. Alright guys, we're gonna re-season our sauce. I'm gonna add additional 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, black pepper, maybe half, and if you want a little bit sweeter, I want mine a little bit sweeter, so I'll put about 2 tablespoons of extra brown sugar. Okay, so we're just gonna simmer it, let it reduce to half at least, and we will put back the ribs. Okay, give it a couple of minutes until the sauce is actually reduced and become syrupy. We'll be back, guys. Add a tablespoon of salt to balance everything. To add more kick to our sauce, this is 2 tablespoons of frozen fresh garlic. Okay, I think that's enough. What I actually do is I buy a lot of garlic, fresh garlic that's already in the bag, so I put it in a grinder and freeze it so it lasts months and months. So I have garlic and it's already chopped, ready for me to use. Okay, I'm gonna lower the temperature right now, and we're gonna add or put back our spare ribs. Okay, and it should thicken up. Oh my gosh, if you can actually smell this, oh my goodness, smells so good, guys. Add the rest of the cheese. And yeah, just let it simmer. So we're gonna cover it. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes and turn it off and ready to serve. Here you go, guys, our finished product, our beef spare rib adobo style. Hope you try this recipe one day. Let me know. Leave me a comment. This is your Miss Teresa home cooking. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time, next video. Bye, and thank you for watching.